So just looking at this is okay. Sorry, I'm trying to open up everything here now. I'm very demaka. I don't even have my magic keys open. Maybe I should do that first. Jama, yeah. So, looking at this, now we are currently looking at current structure for this downside move, and then to open up the week all the way pushing back up. Spoke about this area yesterday, right? Might as well call it a push area. And there again, same as what we did before. Now we haven't pushed into here, and then now we've started our leg back to the downside, correcting all that upside move. But where you are now is where your initial target, your target basically. This is a bit pushing it further, because as you can see, you had this few times where price rejected, price just pushed all the way down to here, push back up. So could this push further? Yeah, definitely, why not? But could deal with pullbacks as you have pulled into the areas already. Gold, I don't even want to talk about my feelings on it. I mean, I wanted to trade this down to the 60 and then the 50.
Yeah.
We are now 500 pips further. So,
Crazy.
to be fair, even if I left this, I could have, yeah, even if I left this, this would have stopped me out here. But possibly, what time was this? 2 o'clock? 2 o'clock? Really
So you
good
didn't
entry.
play New York yesterday, really?
No, this was nice also, yeah. 3 o'clock. I had to go do something. Quite sad, eh? Quite sad because I'm planned out that I'm gonna trade New York, and New
No
York
way.
played out fucking
Yeah.
perfectly. Just for you to not get it, yeah. I just sold them quick. Yeah, and freaking, there's nothing you can do. If you don't get it, there's nothing you can do.
Today will be a good day.
Mm.
I think the trading day that was today.
Oh. I got my coffee this morning already. Let's see how this pans out this morning. Because I'd like to see us push further down, but this, I mean, where we're gonna pull into here. If we pull into here, that's basically just a fucking bullish morning, in might as well just buy. Oh. Let's see. And if we do the pullbacks, I'd like to see it a bit later, honestly, like later into the session.
Why later?
Okay. I think
Why
it's
later?
with because of the momentum that we have down. Like
Mm.
I don't think like pulling all the way back into here now. I just not feeling it. Could be me. Could be me.
CJ, yeah? No.
Not sure. I ain't sure, mate.
Where's he from?
He's from George.
Oh, okay.
From that ugly, dry ass.
Yeah, I can hear his accent. It's like white.
Why? No, he's a colored.
No ways.
He's colored, bro. But
That's even worse.
he's light skin colored.
I thought he was white. I thought he was like white, like me.
Nah, bro, he's not like you, and you're not white like you even.
Yeah, so that's kind of funny.
You thought you was because I thought, remember I told him to text me yesterday for New York session also. He didn't even text me.
Yeah.
That guy.
So,
Jody, hi, good morning. Also, in the Zoom, please mind your language.
okay.
I am live on YouTube.
Okay.
Okay. Don't you forget to mind your language.
Hey, fuck everybody, I'll show you what I want. I want to see if this can hold. See, the thing is now, everything so far is still holding. So even though you have reached into areas to the left, still potentially want to see this candle, because you have to ask yourself now, you push down into here, broken above it, but you still haven't closed. So I'm gonna wait for this candle, because candle closes in 25. That dude, oh, that looks good. I might actually get involved. I might get involved. tough though.
I don't know, maybe I might wait for the 30.
Yeah, 30 close would be better.
I don't know, because last time I took a trade at this time, I got faked out. I don't know.
But also just the area that we're sitting at, we like at the daily support as well.
Mm-hmm.
So
It does
yeah.
look good though. It looks good at that wick, and
Yeah. It's
now the I just don't know.
it's just that you have pulled into key level 197 target area. So now this is holding, but is that enough to just continue? What do we have this morning?
News already came out this morning, that night.
Didn't do anything.
Didn't. So then, if we are, right, here's my thinking towards this. If we are to do that, right, I'd like us to see just reject this one more time then, for London to then push us up, you know?
Oh yeah, maybe even a fake out below there to get momentum to go up.
Yep.
Let's see.
Because now, if this 15 then, if this
Yeah.
15 closes bullish, you automatically then see that as support, 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 high supports forming.
Yeah. I thought you would take that.
Yeah.
In my head, because I saw it's a nice wick up, tap the area, and now flipping to fill that wick.
Yeah, my question
Possibly
is,
continue.
why are we not closing above here, and why is this candle not breaking the previous candle high? You get me? So you're pushing back up into the 0.200 and then flipping. So was the shot? Obviously, I'm gonna watch this accordingly as I can see those wicks there. And it's like 12 pips down to the R97. Because I mean, on gold, it's fuck all to do on gold. Selling down here at your 2600 is after 2600. I need to go back and go have a look at it. Love this channel. If I mark that out, basically like a temple. Use the above there now. Having at 11 pips, and I'm gonna close some. Close enough.
Nice.
Yo. Good morning.
Bro, so, good morning, bro. Firstly,
Morning.
Keegan is under the impression that you are white.
No, I'm colored.
That's quite funny. Sorry.
He's under the impression like proper that you're white.
What makes you think that I'm white?
It's just the accent.
And then I speak like this. Fuck, why are you in that trade, bro?
Because that makes sense.
It does make sense, but
So okay,
you think
so then now
it
you
will...
just
No,
said
no,
now it
no.
makes sense.
No,
So then what the fuck more do you need?
Listen to my analogy. It already like tanked a lot. Do you think it'll tank more?
Yes.
That's why I'm not trading this morning. I looked at it and I'm like, nah.
Yeah, okay, so when you go and you look at this, right, and now you're like, oh, did it tank?
Oh my
okay.
god.
When you have, you see, the thing is, you also need to take into consideration the fundamental catalyst behind it, right? Those things will, because that gives you, ultimately, that gives you direction. It's one thing to do something. So, yeah, I can understand also what you're saying with it's pushed down further, right? You have reached into what your target area is, yeah? But that's not to say, remember,
It won't.
exactly, because now what can you see here, right? I'm actively reading price. I can see there, okay, well, we've pushed above, but we still haven't closed above and now closed back inside the range. So that's a worth a shot to get back down to the lows, and if it goes further, I'm smiling, right? But what I'm not going to do is take my entries over here, because now I'm taking breaking lows and that's not my style. If I get in on range and I get further, great, because there's potential for further downside. And I can manage in here because I can see how prices reacted here. Now I have gotten down to there and I have managed. Do you get me?
Yeah. I do hear you.
But now, if price tanks further, if this candle ends up looking, let me just switch this up quickly. If this candle ends up looking like this, who's gonna sell here? Are you gonna feel comfortable selling there? Fuck no.
Nah.
Then you'd be looking at like, oh, I should have gotten in here.
Yeah, but now how you feel about that selling down there, that's how I kind of feel about where price is at the moment.
Yeah, I get you. I can understand.
Because this was the plan for yesterday. It's now the second time in a row where the price just falls without coming to an area of resistance. Because I looked at getting in at an area of resistance, it just did not get there. It just tanked. So I don't know. I'm into what price is doing currently.
Yeah. Sometimes you just have to. We're not always gonna get the most amazing entries or whatever or so forth, right? Or we're not always gonna get what we want to see. Like I could plan out this morning. Okay, I want price to pull into here and then I want to sell down from here. What if it doesn't do that? But I'm right about my direction. Like look at yesterday, bro. I totally completely fucked yesterday. I knew gold's pushing down, or I believed gold's pushing down, and I got in quite a good entry, but I only got 12 pips out of this whole move of, I don't even want to count this pip though, like only just 700 pips. Anyway, so I look at that, right? I'm like, okay, well it didn't just push down from where I wanted, it did that. If I plan that, great. But now, it's not always gonna move how we want to see, but how can you get in more, you know? Do what we can, and we can what we do. And if you do what you see for the scene, what you don't, you'll always smile, unless you aren't.
What old man shit are you saying?
And that is today's lesson.
So yeah, it's a no trade day for me today. I didn't stream yesterday during NY because it was bank holiday.
Now look at this now, you see now we're going. Now, if it breaks its lows and pushes further, I'm smiling. If you don't like it, you don't like it. But this would then be the only way for to comfortably to get it, because your stop would
So-
be minimal. As to
Mm.
if you take whatever down here now, your stop has to be above the range. Now you're sitting with a 40 pip stop potentially. Not comfortable with that, bro.
Did you trade NY yesterday?
No, I had to go do something, but I was still sad that you didn't message me.
No, man. It was bank holiday. The only thing that gave a nice setup was gold.
Exactly. The whole point as to me wanting to trade New York was because of gold. And now you're at 2600, fucking perfect. Hey. That's gonna be interesting now. I wanna see if we get pullbacks from 2600. And then potentially after that. Let me just remove one of this. So if you look at this from an hourly perspective, right, with the whole upside move, you can see that this is the area, the 2600, where we've been holding. That's where you got that massive rejection from, and then eventually break through it, yeah? Printed eyes, got your pullback, printed eyes, but then you got basically the failure to break and then start to push back down. And now again, when you push back down into 600 area, now you've had quite a bit of downside, which I don't think is just gonna continue, but I'd like to see what we do around these spots. Because we're still going into December, so in December gold tends to have some upside, so I would really like to see what we do around this 2600 area, especially in the next few New York sessions, well, particularly this week, because remember, Trump's not in office yet officially. But this is risk off. I think the whole market is just booming off that, man. Sorry, risk on. Risk on, safe haven off. TJ, am I still good? Yeah, I'm still good. I'm moving this one to break even now. Oops. Now I can potentially target this over here, and that will be full. What's happening in the newsroom? German, okay.
So yeah.
And so far the reaction looks good. Tap to 2600, drag of 40 pips, more back. Oh, also my coffee has 1 sugar in this morning, people. 1. It's not too bad. Bitcoin rises to record at 89. Did it hit the 90? I mean,
Yes,
40.
CJ.
Right? This one now message to say goodbye. Can't use his voice. Bitch. Let's see if finally these people can get their freaking 90k that they've been talking about for the past, well, not 90k, the, what was it that they've been saying whole time? 100k, yeah, that was the one. business. Freaking back it just oh, you did tap 90. 100. You see, I marked out the 100. People been moaning about 100 for the past don't know how many years. This is my cousin and Blue. Don't know how many accounts already waiting for 100k.
Yeah.
Finally, everybody can smile. This is crazy.
I got in on this 30.
You got in on this 30.
Yeah. Gotta manage positions.
What are you looking to manage?
So I just sort of want this thing to do a quick push down.
Just want to
If
see if
we,
you can fill this weekend break. Basically.
yeah,
You know, try and
basically,
play.
yeah,
Yeah, I can understand it. But risky.
yeah.
But it's your money. No, I'm assigning to chat. Is the stuff fine? Like, can you guys hear me fine here on Zoom and on YouTube? Is everything network is stable basically?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that can only be easy. Gold closed nice though. And that's that D. I have to take this back all the way. Yeah, so I haven't done this in a while, but I just wanted to say again, look at the flickering yellow lines. Strategy. Okay, 30 minutes before open. What do we get? What do we get? Let's see. Continue. Also, for some odd reason, I looked at this and thought, well, yesterday's candle clearly didn't do what you wanted to see, and looking at this, if this then goes and does this to close into this range again, that could be a big one, because we don't freaking struggle so long to get up, made the support open up, gapped up, and then broken, then that quite a deep pullback. And if you compare these bearish candle and how much days it takes to like get up to price points that you want to see, or that it should get up to. It takes like ample days to get there. Like in all of this, right? Since we had this move down, taking ample days to get to a certain price point, and the bearish candles are much bigger when we have those pullbacks. Now to get back up to here, you can't even do it in a day. It takes you 1, 2, 3 days just to get back up to the target areas, but not even like the highs of it. You get me?
Yeah.
So I'm really, and I mean now with everything yesterday, and what's his Prime Minister's name? What's this guy's name?
Of the UK.
No.
Sheba or something.
Shiba.
Oh, Shiba.
Shiba could do a madness, bro. Like, it's tough to say, but if Shiba does do a madness, I mean, you can see how price acted in here. Rejected there, rejected here. Now we're back into there. It's quite tough. I mean, but it's 4 years worth of, buying pressure. So could this be the change? Because essentially you'd want to see, well, I'd want to see the same thing happen then of new highs being printed and pulling back into supply areas, then back to new highs and doing that. So I'd need to see these and then further down to inverse what we've had. Otherwise this could just still be as we have been printing for the past 4 years, but in a later stage coming to year end basically. Because if we're gonna hold this, then we will just hit the 2020s into early next year, I'd imagine. Hey. Let's get Keegan some profit.
Can I smell some blue at least?
Can I smell some blue? Ooh, nice.
Oh, there we go. I smell some blue.
Oh yeah. I'm running at 15, 14, 15, 14.7. Sterling has fallen to its lowest since August 15th. See, really? In running session? Amazing, no lies. Okay, you need to break fucking 197. But you always knew it's gonna be awake because you can see it there.
Yeah. I
mean, this momentum came nice and strong. Just need to what's the other thing now? Donvo used to play music on his stream, like any music.
Mhm.
That's what I want to figure out what to do though. 25.96. I don't trust gold, bro. But I mean, how can you fight it? You can't fucking fight it, that's the thing. But it's a beautiful morning. It's a good day. It's a good life. For me. And I'm feeling good.
Katie, did you get into anything?
Oh no. Oh no. Nah, price is way too low for me to be
Oh,
still
okay.
looking for some. So I'm waiting for a flip, or a buy setup, or pull back to 197,500 ish,
Throw it.
for possible continuation
Please
sales.
throw it.
Hmm?
Please throw it.
Draw it.
Throw what you'd like to see.
Okay, I'll draw it. Just give me a second.
There you go, broken that wick. Go on.
So
Make the
if
next
we, let me just get how do I get the shapes on here again?
click on annotate.
Never mind. So if we can pull into here, maybe reject off here, give a nice double bottom, or create a higher support, and then push up to here would be first option. Go on to the 15 weekly already.
I done
And
told
then
you,
this,
I'm on YouTube and you're just gonna give my
oh,
government
sorry.
name out to everybody.
Yeah, but,
Yeah,
yeah, I would like to see a pullback into this area though, for potential sells. I'm not really convinced on sells, so if I do get a setup, then like a buy setup of this area over here, or even where we are right now, then I will definitely be looking for longs into, into target one and then target two. I'm targeting this because it's also a 50% pullback on a fib, sell fib from our highs. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for.
just wanna try and sort of testing. Geeks, can you just go and do? No, you know what? I'm gonna actually.
And then you do the same thing that I just did,
Hey,
calling people on their government names.
I say Teagues.
How are you feeling with your trade there?
I'm chilled. I like the 15-minute closure. If it can either close bearish, I don't want it to close doji, but either it can close bearish or a little bullish, and then the next candle go down. I don't want a strong 15-minute closure. Like, this is good for me. I can see this carrying on down. Visualize it on the 15. I'll draw it if it's on. This is what I can see from this candle is printing like that, or at least breaking down to there. That's what I can see. And with momentum now, hopefully I
Yeah,
can.
the last 15 minutes before open.
Yeah.
It would really be cool to see us drop into this lower support here around 196,800 before like looking for potential buyers. But yeah, let's see.
How long? It's been 42 minutes on YouTube. I think that's good. So I'm gonna log off the YouTube so that these videos are not too long on YouTube.
What did you say now?